everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a fun one for Labor Day, which happy Labor Day, everybody. This one is a carnivore bacon cheeseburger pie. That's right, a pie. So we know a lot of people have burgers and hot dogs, for Labor Day. So this one makes an excellent alternative if you want to try something different. And it turned out delicious. Everybody scarfed it down. It was gone that night. But just want you to know, this one's a great alternative to a regular burger and hot dog for Labor Day. So, we got this from ketoandeat.com. My mom's going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out. Happy Labor Day!
All right, as Yoda said, today's Monday meal is a carnivore cheeseburger bacon pie. That's right, a pie. So here's what we got in here so far. It's supposed to have 1.5 pounds of meat. This is ground venison. I don't know if it's 1.5 pounds. It might be closer to 2, but we did our best. And then you use 3 strips of bacon. I'm using just these bacon bits because there's really no need to cook raw bacon if I've already got bacon bits. So those are in there. I browned the meat, put 3 strips of bacon, which is equivalent of 2 to 3 teaspoons per slice of bacon. And then I also squeezed some Spice World Easy Onion in there. That's not in the recipe, but I wanted to. Then you're supposed to use 1/2 teaspoon of salt, but instead I used the blend because that way I got salt, pepper, and garlic flavor in there. Funny thing is the recipe says put your salt and pepper in, but it doesn't say how much pepper. Doesn't even mention it in the ingredients list, so I figure if I use this, that'll cover everything. So then you stir that up together into the baking dish after it's cooked. So that's what's in here now. And since it's a pie, I thought I'd use a pie plate. So now I gotta do eggs and cream. So I'm using my Just Eggs, since you know I'm allergic to eggs, and I'm using my heavy whipped cream from Horizon Organic because there's no milk in this. So I can have full fat, I just can't have milk protein. So this is gonna be 5 ounces, so I guess that's like 1/2 cup plus a little bit. So that's what I'll do of that. And then 3 eggs, so that would be 3 times 3 is 9, math. So 9 tablespoons of Just Egg, because it's 3 tablespoons per large egg. So we're gonna dump that in here and then mix it. All right, this is what it looks like after we put in our Just Egg, 3 of those, so that was 9 tablespoons. And then 1/2 cup plus a little bit more of our heavy whipping cream. They call it double cream, but I don't know, that's what I got. And then 1/2 of the cheese. So you do 7 ounces of cheese. So we're using Violife Mexican style shreds. So again, because I'm allergic to the protein and dairy. And then you mix all that together. So we did. Now you're gonna top it with the rest of your cheese and then 3 more slices of bacon. So for us, that's 2 to 3 teaspoons per slice. So I'm gonna use 3. So 3 times 3, again, is 9. 9 teaspoons of bacon bits. So I'm gonna top it all and then it'll be ready to put in. So here it is. We've topped it with the rest of the cheese and then 3 more slices of bacon, which is 3 teaspoons each. So 9 teaspoons of bacon bits on the top here. And so now we're ready to put it into our 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes, which I think our oven is finally ready. Yes, it is. 25 to 30 minutes, and then let's sit 10 minutes before. All right, here it is. It was in there for 30 minutes. It's bubbly and delicious smelling and looking, but we need it to sit for 10 minutes, so we've got our timer going until we can cut it. So that's what we're doing.